Crypto just crashed, billions wiped out in hours. What happened this time? Over the weekend, we witnessed one of the biggest liquidations ever. Nearly $19 billion vanished. Bitcoin plummeted from $126,000 to almost $105,000, taking Ether, XRP, and many altcoins down with it. What triggered this chaos? A fresh wave of US-China trade tensions, including hefty new tariffs on Chinese tech. This news rattled investors, forcing them to liquidate and sending prices spiraling. After the panic, Bitcoin managed a comeback, bouncing back to $114,000, but the volatility is still intense. Are we in for more twists and turns? The next few days could determine the market's fate. Here's what you should keep in mind. Keycap 1, don't overleverage. Keycap 2, set your stop losses. Keycap 3, diversify your investments. Crashes can sting, but they also reset the market and open up new opportunities. So, what do you think? Is this just a dip, or is something bigger on the horizon? Share your thoughts below. Follow us for more updates.